Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video about blending this that was made with the Artistic Media tool. And somebody questioned it via email why I care. Well, there's two reasons I care. One, it won't work. If we go to Effects and Blend and grab these two items, the blend is grayed out because there's 4 objects selected, even though this is just an artistic media group. So it just won't work. It will not blend. The other reason, so what I'm going to do is go up to Object and break the artistic media apart. There is a line in here that's really not there, as you can see. It was your original line, but if we go to View and Wireframe, it is still there. So even though it's not really looking like it's there, I've never tested this, but if you right-clicked and made it an outline and it was a hairline, that's the second reason I care. If you were engraving and doing some cutting on the same job, this would engrave, and I'm afraid it's going to go back and cut that. So if you delete that and go up to Object, sometimes you got to select it all. Go up to Object, break the artistic media apart. 9 times out of 10, you're going to grab the line. So just delete it. Now when we grab those two items, it will readily blend. And just to make the video a little bit more interesting, you can move your blend and get total different looks of things. You know, you can, because you're blending the original, or we can blend, we can change this one, make it further apart and spread out our blend, bring it up and get them closer. So I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.